Hi, this is Ashish, your trainer for the 2-day leadership workshop. The program is specially designed for those of you who want to be effective team leaders. Most of the times, we focus on developing our technical skills. However, as we grow up the ranks in any organization, the soft skills gain more importance. Often, it is the leadership qualities rather than the technical abilities which will help you grow in your career. This course covers all the soft skills you need in your role as a team lead, project lead, or any senior position in the organization. Based on my 27 years experience across organizations, roles, and locations, I will focus on the specific competencies you will need at the workplace to achieve success. Do call to discuss more about the workshop. Thank you.